Okay, so the Bank of Canada raised interest rates again yesterday by a half point. They were expected to raise them by three-quarters of a point, but they didn't. They only went up half a point. And what that is an indication of is the fact that the economy is starting to slow down. So they didn't want to completely slam the brakes on it. They just want to continue the cooling to get inflation down. It's high right now. And in fact, we've got all that information for you on where inflation is, where it should be, in an article that we're going to link below this video. But really, what does it mean for you if you're buying or you're selling a home? Well, this is the new normal. We are not going to see interest rates going down in the near future. We're going to be in this for at least another year, maybe even 2 years, until inflation gets under control. Now, think about this. We have a lot of people that always ask us questions every time an interest rate hike happens. Really what happens is the brakes come on really short term in the market. Everybody kind of figures out that the sky is not falling, and then it picks back up again, 3-4 weeks later. So this interest rate hike might slow the market down a little bit as far as sales go, but this is not going to put the brakes on the Calgary market simply because there's just too many people moving here right now. The job market is too good. People are leaving Vancouver. People are leaving the lower mainland, the island, the interior of BC, southern Ontario, and they're all coming to Alberta because, well, our real estate is a bargain compared to those places. Also, think about this. If you were waiting for the market to slow down last spring, let's say, and the market has increased since then, and now interest rates have increased since then, waiting didn't do you any good, did it? If you're going to get into the market, this is the new normal. There is not going to be a better time in the next little while to buy a home than now. It's a good time to sell your home too, because there's a lot of buyers still out there in the market. And we would love to talk to you more about that. If you want to get more information on our take on the market, as well as what you should do in your own situation, we can talk to you about that too. Call or text us anytime. It's 403-207-1748. And check out the article below. This was sent to us by one of our favorite money managing advisors, Dave Bannatyne. It's a great article. It was in the Globe and Mail, and it talks about what the interest rate hike means to us as Canadians and consumers.